Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to make something that's very popular throughout the Middle East. It's called hummus. It's a quite simple recipe. It's only got 3 main ingredients, and so let's get started, shall we? Okay guys, so the main ingredients for hummus is, of course, we have the chickpeas, we have the tahini, and we have the lime or citrus of your choice. We've chosen lime, but you can use lemon as well. It's mainly the juice that you're interested in, so as long as it's citrus, it doesn't really matter. And we're going to use a little bit of salt for flavourings, and we've also got the parsley for flavourings as well. But the main ingredient as well, something that's also very famous throughout the Middle East, is the olive oil. This is used for part of the foods and also for the garnishing at the end. Alright guys, join us because it's going to be delicious. Alright guys, it's been made, it's prepared and it's ready. There's only one thing left to do, and that's to tuck in and enjoy delicious hummus. Got my flatbreads here. Take a little bit. Just come out of the oven, so it's quite hot still. I love flatbread. I love flatbread on its own. Who doesn't love flatbread? Right guys. The hummus is perfect. This is our first time actually making hummus. I mentioned before, been in Israel, I've been in Egypt, and of course, hummus is found throughout the Middle East. No one actually knows where the original came from. Some people say it came from Syria, some people say Israel, some people say Lebanon. Whatever, it doesn't matter. This is one of the best foods in the Middle East, and the foods in Middle East, delicious. All is delicious. Look at that. The flavours are really delicious. You can taste the chickpeas. You can taste the tahini combined with oil. Delicious. What I love about hummus is there's so many different variations you can do. This one we've made was a classic. Some people, they have different variations of hummus. You can make it with paprika, you can make it a simple version like ours. This is a classic version. So you've got the olive oil and you have the hummus, and it's just delicious. But some people have different things that go with it. There's herbs and spices in the Middle East that you can't get in Europe. I love tahini, love the hummus. Alright guys, until the next video, I'm going to leave it there. Let me know how you make your hummus. Let me know your tips, your suggestions, and until the next video, take care guys.